Welcome to the Faculty of Arts video about the 5 W's of withdrawing from a course. Number 1. What does it mean to withdraw from a course? Number 2. Who should withdraw from a course? Number 3. Why withdraw from a course? Number 4. When to withdraw from a course? And lastly, number 5. Where to withdraw from a course. Now we will go into what it means to withdraw from a course. Withdrawing means that you are unable to complete a course, or that you may be overwhelmed by the course load and need to drop it from your schedule. You must apply through the faculty to withdraw from any course. In the Faculty of Arts, withdrawal applications can be completed online through our faculty website. You can choose to withdraw from an entire term or from courses individually. We will now be addressing who should consider withdrawing from a course. This is most frequently applicable to students who are having difficulties or are overwhelmed by the course load and are at risk of failing. Students should always be aware of the add drop deadline in which they can drop courses without receiving a W. But if the add drop deadline has passed, then withdrawing from any course is still an option. If you are contemplating on dropping a class, please speak to a faculty advisor or student counseling services. Every arts student is eligible to withdraw from any course, regardless of academic or personal reasons. Now you may be wondering why you would choose to withdraw from a course. Most commonly, students choose to withdraw from a course because they feel their grade is too low, or in a more severe case, they are at risk of failing the course. Choosing to withdraw from a course results in a letter grade, a W, that appears on your transcript but does not affect your GPA. Because it does not affect your GPA, it is preferable to receiving a very low grade in the course or failing. The date set by the Faculty of Arts for when students can add, drop, or withdraw from courses is very important to note at the start of each semester. If a student drops a course at the beginning of the semester, more importantly, before the registration deadline, then instructional fees do not apply. If a student drops a course after the registration deadline, but before the refund deadline, then there will be a 50% deduction in the instructional fees applied. However, if a student drops a course after the refund deadline, they will not receive any refund on any instructional fees. Lastly, is where to apply to withdraw from courses. Withdrawing from a course in the Faculty of Arts can be done through our website. The course can be found in the Faculty of Arts Student Services Forms cabinet. Once you have selected the Student Services option, a drop-down menu will appear. Please select Forms and Information for Students, and then choose Forms for Students. This form will then need to be processed by the faculty before the student's withdrawal is considered complete. To validate your withdrawal, please check your BearTracks account after 2 to 3 days to ensure that the course has been removed from your current schedule. If you need help with your studies, please consider contacting one of our student resource centers on campus. These include the Student Success Center, the Student Union, the Peer Support Center, the Student Union Tutoring Center, and the Exam Registry. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us at arts.undergrad@ualberta.ca.